Okay, it's 10 a.m. Sunday, May 1st, 2022. This is the apple that I cut in half yesterday at 10 a.m. As you can see, it's turned a little bit brown, but not really. You can see the brown marks there. You can actually see where it's been. Yeah, you can see as you go along here, you can see around the edge the brown marks that look like it's had something shot into it. I don't know, it's weird. The regular brown marks at regular intervals. I don't know what that's about. Now, here's the apple I cut in half on Thursday, so that's 4 days ago. And you can see it's weird. Look at that. Look what it does. It's really weird. This just isn't food. I don't know what it is, but it isn't food. Whatever they're doing, this one's starting to form a protective coating like the first one. And it just isn't turning brown. It's really weird. Like, it's turning a little brown, but it's not really turning brown. I don't know what they're doing to apples these days, or to food in general, but it isn't good. You know, food that won't degrade like it's supposed to, when it's out in the air, it won't digest like it's supposed to when it's in your body. I'm not a doctor or a scientist or anything, but that's just common sense. You know, this isn't good. It's like eating plastic. And the thing is, they have very little flavor to them, these things now. They don't even really taste like an apple or whatever it is. It doesn't taste like it's supposed to anymore. A lot of foods now just don't taste the way they're supposed to. And then on top of that, they're not degrading like they're supposed to. I've seen experiments where they've put McDonald's food in bell jars and left it, and it takes forever for that stuff to degrade. You know, and like I say, I don't know what they've done to food, but it isn't good anyway. Anyway, this is the second video. I'm showing the progress, or lack thereof, of the degradation. As I said in the first video, when I was a kid, and even a few years back, not even when I was a kid, if you were eating an apple, and if you took a bite of an apple and you went away from it for 5 minutes, when you came back, where you took the bite would be brown. You'd actually see an apple turning brown as you ate it, unless you ate it quickly. So I just don't know anyway, it's weird. That's all. Whenever food doesn't act the way it's supposed to act, you gotta ask yourself some real questions about what's going on with our food supply. That's where we're at anyway. Yeah. I'll be back at this time tomorrow with another update on this apple. That will be the third day since I cut it. Well, this is 24 hours. Tomorrow will be 48 hours. So it'll be the second day, really. It'll be the second cycle or whatever of days. I don't know. Anyway, as you can tell, I'm not a scientist. I'm just observant. That's all. And I notice things when they change. And this is definitely a change. This isn't what we've come to know as normal. And that's where I'm coming from. I don't know why it's like this. I figure they've messed with our food, the powers that be. But any way you look at it, this is not normal. That's all. Talk later.